Just kidding. We don't have running water yet. What we do have are 5-liter water jugs that we fill at the community well. And this one, of course, is empty. I believe it's our last one, which means today is water day. We need running water.
Well, the adventure is beginning. Borrowing a friend's boat, neighbor's boat, and going to get our cisterns. So it should be fun. Alright, well, it's a pretty sweet boat. Here I go, off to get the water totes. So that was interesting. Using somebody's boat for the first time is always fun, especially when you have to go out in the waves. But anyway, I'm over here and just gonna pull into the slip, pick up the truck, and then go and arrange for the totes. Alright, at the dock. Boat's all locked up. Oh, it's not. I gotta lock it up. Thought it was. And then I'm going to get the truck. And I don't know, it's kind of exciting. There's lots to do today. Oh, I'll keep you posted. Alright, so got the truck. It's empty. Got all the straps. Got the rope. And just waiting on, I think his name's Brad. The guy who is bringing the totes over. So, should be fun. Exciting. I got him. Now it's time to get down to the marina. Bring them down there and hopefully get them off the truck, which they don't seem to weigh too much, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, totes are dropped. They're somewhere there. And hopefully now I can get the truck back. Alright, I'm at the marina. I dropped off the truck. I'm getting the boat and then heading back to go pick them up. Well, I got them on. They're strapped down. And now I'm on my way out as the sun sets, heading towards the island, and hopefully getting these off the boat before it's dark. I'm going to take my time going over there though, because they're stacked. They couldn't fit side by side. So yeah, it should be fun. This is crazy. But we're going to have water, running water. Well, I'm back. It's the next day, and I got the totes to the marina on our side just as it was getting dark, so I couldn't film anymore. But I'm going to get them today, again, borrowing an island truck, and going to pick them up and bring them here. So let's have fun.